Welcome back to my channel. Dave is with me again to help me on a new project. So we roughly cut the parts of the new project, and we're going to assemble this very soon. So you may have a clue of what it is. We may present you like a recipe, like cooking. It's like cooking. So we'll get the camera and show you, make a close view of what we need for the next project. Okay, so the part we'll need for this project is, and we cut all these parts because there's no point showing you how we cut parts. You've seen that before. So for this project we'll need one cylinder. This is a 2 inches, 6 inches stroke. We'll need a lot of bushings. This is 1 inch inside, 1/4 inch thick. So there's a bunch of them here, small bushings, small gusseting materials like this one, small plates to caps the ends. There will be a lot of plates to take those bushings. Some angle iron, 3/8 of an inch, 3 by 3. Some plates, 1 1/4 by 5. Is this? Yep. So 1 1/4 by 1/2 inch. Same 1/2 inch, and some plates. This, and get a clue. This is for a quick attach implement. Tubing, 1/4 inch. Tubing is 2 by 3. 3 like this, 3 like this, then 2, 2, 2 like this with such angles, like you can see, some angles on the sides, and these special part here, and at the back, 2 other parts which are 45.5 wide. So with all those parts, we might be able to complete maybe 90% of the project without cutting any other parts. And the idea today is to make a grapple. So I already have a grapple, but actually I could not use that grapple with the new quick attach system because the curl cylinder could not go through that quick attach system. So I have to make quick attach system, so I have to make a new one. So that's the reason for that cylinder, and you will see there will be a, let's say, a hack about this cylinder. We'll see that later in a future video, and hopefully it works according to my plan. And this is pretty much it. Okay, next part is to put those tines together. Should be linked together with 2 by 3. This is this one. weld. So we have the top of the grapple, the 3 bottom tines. So basically there won't be much more tines because the idea is to not make a wood grapple where we have a lot of tines. The idea is to make a log grapple, so it will be good at grabbing logs and will be having plenty of space in between the tines to have the saw to cut or buck wood. So that's the idea for 3 bottom tines, 2 top tines. That will be it. Okay, we'll weld that.
Big guy. Gloves.
There's still some coating on it.
Oh.
You want to have something you want to keep away a little bit?
Yeah.
Okay. That's good. Good, good, good. No, it is not good. This is the remote for the radio. Let's see how it works. Oh.